Okay, today guys, so let us solve for the value of x of this given rational equation. So we have here 1 over 2x plus 3/5 is equal to 1/2. So of course, ang una natin gagawin is we are going to find the LCD. So of course, ang ating denominator is 2x, 5, and 2. And of course, our LCD is equal to 10x. Okay, so ang 10x, pang-multiply natin ito both sides. Marami pa rin sa inyo guys is nahirapan paano ba kinukuha yung LCD, yung 10x na yan. Saan ang galing yan? So ang gagawin natin para makuha yung ating LCD na 10x, so of course kukunin natin yung ating mga denominator, which is yung 2x, 2x, so this is 2x. Meron tayong denominator na 5 at meron tayong denominator na 2. So, kukunin natin yung factor ng bawat denominator natin. So, saan po ba galing si 2x? Di ba galing siya sa 2 times x? Si 5 naman, saan galing yan? So, galing siya sa 1 times 5. Si 2 naman, saan galing yan? So, of course, galing siya sa 1 times 2. So, meron tayong common dito na 1. So, of course, bring down natin yung 1. Multiplied by another common na 2 and 2. So, multiplied by 2. Then, may natira tayo dito na 5. Then, may natira tayo na x. Okay? So, multiply mo lang yung bawat isa. 1 times 2 is 2. Times 5 is 10. Times x is equal to 10x. Kaya, may LCD tayo na 10x. Okay? So, I hope we are clear with that. So, continue tayo. So, solve for the value of x. So, 10x divided by 2x is equal to 5. 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng equal siya sa 5. Then 10x divided by 5 is 2x times 3 is equal to 6x. So this is positive 6x. Then of course, 10x divided by 2 is equal to 5x times 1 is equal to 5x. So, combine natin yung ating mga like terms, yung mga variable sa kabilang side at yung coefficient naman sa kabilang side. Okay? Or yung ating whole number. So, bring down natin itong 6x. Bring down yung 6x, lipat sa kabila yung positive 5x, magiging negative 5x. Then, yung ating constant na 5, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 5. So, 6x minus 5x is equal to x. Then, ang x natin is equal to negative 5. So, pwede mong i-check ito kung isa-substitute natin siya sa original equation is dapat mag-i-equal sila sa bawat isa. Okay? Yung nakuha mo na value na 5. So, dapat may makuha ka dyan na kung 1/2 itong sa kabila, so of course, kapag i-substitute mo ito, 1/2 din dapat ang kalalabasan. Para sure tayo na ang sagot natin na negative 5 is a safe answer.